Field in line and sent off for the Donald Tancoy Memorial Trophy. Coming away, Lady Kamsaka and Princess Desi, they race at the back. Femme Dory took off quickly. Indie Queen rushes up in between horses. Zix Rail Runs are close up third. A break opens up to Dayton's Justice racing alongside Aokili attached to his outside as they go racing past the 5. Irish Spirit is there ahead of the rail running Wings of Fury. A Point for Kerry races up next, still a long way off those leaders. 7-4-7, there goes Beijing Bird Nest. Princess Desi asked to make ground along with Lovejoy. A huge gap to Lady Kamsaka and the left out of it, Charmer's Choice. That's the field as they run away now toward the final 3. Indie Queen on the rail, a narrow leader. Femme Dory pressing all the while, and they spar for it as they lead the 5/16th. A break of 5.5 lengths back to Zix. Dayton's Justice under a strong ride in between horses. Aokili will come at them wide, but they're into the stretch drive. A quarter of a mile to go, and Indie Queen has the lead with 3/16 remaining. The stick now out in the left hand by Cardenas. Here's Dayton's Justice taking aim and asked to reel her in. Aokili switched down toward the far rail. Zix right against it. Raging Bird Nest now beginning to fly on the outside, but it's Indie Queen running out of gas with a 16th to run. Dayton's Justice grabs a hold of Indie Queen and now claims the lead close home to win it. Beijing Bird Nest runs on strong to be second over a towering Indie Queen. Aoki Lee finishes next ahead of Lovejoy, close for 6th. Attention call to the winners' enclosure for the presentation of the Donald Tancoy Memorial Trophy, donated by Caymanas Track Limited in honor of the late Mr. Donald Tancoy, former Vice President, OTB Manager, and long-standing team player at Caymanas Park. The presentation is made by Mr. Denzel Miller, Racing Secretary, Caymanas Track Limited. He makes it to trainer Harry Passard, also the owner of Dayton's Justice, winner of the Donald Tancoy Memorial Trophy. Just like to apologize for the quality of footage of the last 2 furlongs of the head-on. Quality of footage, not what we would want or desire. Caymanas Track Limited apologizes for any inconvenience. Race 9 now official. First 7 Dayton's Justice, $328 to win, $74 to place. Second 5 Beijing Bird Nest, $68. Third 13 Indie Queen, $64. Fourth 9 Aoki Lee, fifth 10 Lovejoy, sixth 4-6. Trifecta $977.50. Exacta $3,664. Quinella $1,092. Double event $1,652. 198 triples at $1,428. 2 winners of the hit 6, $132,355.50. 51 winners of the late Super 6, $25,392. 1 winner of the Pick 9, $1,731,965. The splits 23-3, 47-2, 114-2. Final time 1,300 meters, 122.3. The margins 1 1/4 by 1 1/4.